flat map is clear.
Yes, sir.
So if there are two
Yes,
cards,
sir.
card one with 3 items, card two with 2 items, so it will combine the items together as shown below, as shown in the diagram. Okay. All the items will come in one part. Okay. So there is a card here. The cards is represented by C. Okay. So from this card, we require only the items. It is clear? So there is card, first card one is there. So card one will be transferred. So we will capture the items of the card one. Then card two will come. Then we will capture the items of card two. Is this clear to you? Because in the cart you can have many things. Na? It can be, suppose there is an ID there. There's a cart ID is also there. Then items list is also there. We require only the items list. So we are saying C dot items. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here, afterwards, what we are doing, we calculating this part. Is this clear? For every item, there is some price and quantity associated. Is this clear? For every item. So this is one item. So for this item, there is a price and quantity associated. So price multiplied by quantity will give you some value. Is this clear? Like for the first item, there is price is 20 and quantity is 2. So it will be 40. Okay. So it will be, this sum is initialized to 0, I think. So it will be 0 plus 40. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then you pick another item. So this sum will now have 40. Now another item, there is 3, price is 20 and quantity is 3. So it will be 60. So it will come 60 plus 40 become 100. Is this clear? Afterwards, suppose there is 100 plus more 60, more data is coming. So at the end, you will get the final sum. Is this clear? So that's how we are getting the grand total. Okay. This is the way to get a grand total. So this is the loading part. Till loading is going on, it will give you loading your cards. Okay. Then this is our main function. This is the main thing that is returned. So what is returned to you? So above we have calculated the grand total. Okay. All the grand total is coming here. Is this clear? The final grand total of all items are coming here. From this is the logic, and from this we get the grand total. So we calculated the grand total. Then welcome user. This will come to you. Welcome user. User we declare globally. If you remember, auth context in this file, we mentioned that
Yes, sir.
this is a global user. Okay. Then there is a, after that there is log out. Okay. When this button is clicked, then log out will work. Okay. That also we define in this auth context. Logout functionality, how it works. Okay. It removes the JWT token, clears the user data, redirect to login page, if you remember, we did yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And in case of an error, so here and is not like the and that we done in our other programming languages. It means if there is an error, you have to show this. Okay, this is the meaning. Okay. So if the error is there, then you show the paragraph. This is the meaning. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now here this is for create card. If you click on this button, the button will display, it is displaying you the message new card. So this create card will start executing. Create card we have seen, I think it is here only. Yesterday we have seen this. Okay, this is the code of create card that we discussed yesterday, if you remember.
Yes, sir.
So what is happening, whatever we have created yesterday, so we have to use in our return. Okay, that functions we are defined above before return. So here we are using them. So this is the code. If there is no card, this is the code. If there is no card, then this will be displayed. Otherwise, if there is something in the card, then this logic will work. We have to loop through each card. So here what is happening, whatever the cards information, whatever the cards have the information, we have to show, we are showing in this way. Okay, we will pick up cards one by one, hand over to this card. Okay, suppose there are 4 cards. So first card will come, the first card is here, suppose C1. Okay, so this card becomes C1, and below is the what we are doing, we are extracting the information from this card and displaying it. Okay, suppose like here we are displaying the cart ID. So this is the logic. If items in this cart is, there is no items in the cart. Okay, but if there are some items, then we have to display the items. So this is the unordered list. Okay, what is happening here? So if there are items in the cart, we are, so if there are items in the cart, suppose the cart has 3 items, item 1, item 2, item 3. So one by one these items will go, these items will be picked here. So the first item is picked, I1, and we are doing this with this logic with the item. So what logic we are applying here? What we are doing with each item? So what we are doing here, that on click, with the help of this was a user form where user is adding the details that, okay, this is the item name, this is the price of the item, and this much quantity is available. Okay, this much quantity is available. So we prepare the items, we are setting the item name, we are setting the price of them, we are setting the quantity of them. Okay, so this is the thing that we prepared post today, and we want to add that information. So we are using the add item. Okay, so what add item we will do? Add item will add this item as I shown to you. This will add the item in your Spring Boot database, in your backend database. Okay, so how it is storing? So this is the information which is going to this URL. This whole information is going to this URL. So it will be stored in Spring Boot, and it will give you the response. So whatever response you are getting, so that is the response. Okay, which help us to set the cart. Which help us to set the cart. So is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is happening here? You are getting cards. Okay, you are getting cards now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So every card has some information. What type of information is the cards is having? The information is your cart ID. Okay, that is the one information, and the items in the cart. Okay, card ID plus items in the cart. Suppose this is the information for your card one. This is your first card. Then for the second card, okay, the same information, card ID plus the items. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So what we are doing here, so that information we are doing, uh, getting, and we are displaying here. Whatever the information we are getting, we are displaying here. And if you want to add something into the cart, okay, suppose you want add something into the cart, then you can add also. Okay, so whatever the items you are adding in the cart, so that items will be added also. Okay, suppose in your first cart, okay, you have certain things in your cart, and you want to add one more thing into the cart, so that also we can add. Okay, is this clear? Suppose is your cart ID 1, you want to add the data, then also there is an option to add the data through this. Is this clear? So here you are saying, okay, in this cart ID, add this data. Okay, so what we are adding, item, price, and quantity. These things we are adding. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
That add item logic we have seen here. Okay, it is getting your card ID. Okay, and in your card ID, uh, what it is doing in your card ID, first it will send the information that okay, in this card ID, I want to I want to add this item. So this is the description of the item. So this item description will go to server. Server will add it, and after server add it, server will then give you the final list. Okay, that you have that data you are setting in your cart. Okay, so it may happen that due to some error that you are not able to add the items. Okay, so in that case you will retain your old card which is represented by C. Okay, is this clear? In case you are not getting any response from server, then your card will remain same, the C card. Otherwise, the card will change. So rest of data is the new information that server is sending. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So server is sending, okay, suppose server is sending in your third card. Earlier it was two items. Now you have added this item, the third item, which is represented in orange. So this new information will be added in your cart. So what your Spring Boot will do, first it it will get all the cards one by one. So first card will come, second card will come, then third card will come. When the third card will come, then there is a match. Then there is a match. Okay, that match is shown here with this double equal sign. Okay, once there is a match between the card information of uh, rect and the card information sent by the Spring Boot, then your new card will be set. Okay, and in the new card, the server data, because first you need to confirm from the server, okay, that data is added, then only you will use the set card. Is this clear? Once you get the data from the server, then only you can set the card. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that, what we are doing, this is the checkout section. It means if you get the grand total, if you have received the grand total, then you have to do this task. Okay. So here your grand total will be shown. Right? Okay, this is your grand total. And grand total we have seen in the beginning how grand total works. This is we have seen how grand total works. So what we have seen till now is that grand total is doing the totaling of everything. Okay, whatever the items are there and their price is there. So its main task is to calculate the price. What is the total price for all the items in the carts? So if you have four carts, each cart have some items. So it will get all the information of the items and create a grand total. Now, after doing this, there is an option also to add something into the card. Okay, you can have the option of add the items into the card that we have seen here. Is that clear? After doing this, you can add the items. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, if you are adding the items, so what will happen? You are adding the items. If you are adding the items, then this function will be called add item. Okay. So what this function will do, that we have already seen. It is setting the state. The state will change. Na? Is this clear? Because if you add something new, the state will change. This state will change. Set cart. Okay. Is this clear? When you are adding the items, your state will change. Is that clear?
Yes.
The state of set card will change. So this set card is part of which component? This set card is part of CartPage component. Okay. Okay. This set cards is a part of CartPage component, right?
Yes, sir.
So this card page will, what happened to this card page? If its state changes, so it will re-render. Is this clear? It will re-render. Okay. Right? Because of change of set card state, because now the state is changed, this card page will again re-render. So during re-rendering, so all the calculations will be done again. So you will get a new grand total. Is this clear? You will get a new grand total here. Okay. Because earlier you have a grand total of say 3 items. Now you add the 4th item. So your grand total will be updated. Is this clear to you? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So when the grand total is updated, then at last we have this part, checkout section. So this is the checkout section. It means if you are after getting a new grand total, this will happen. Okay. Then a new grand total will be shown to you. Is this clear? Here the new grand total will be shown to you, and you are redirected to the checkout page. And in the checkout page, your state is this. This is your state. That this is the total. Okay. Is this clear? In the checkout page, this information will be shown to you that this is your total. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if there is checkout in your app.jsx, if you see, if someone hit on checkout, then what need to be happen? What should happen if someone clicks on checkout? If someone clicks on checkout, then what needs to happen? What need to happen if you are if this slash checkout work, then what need to happen? If you hit on this slash checkout, then what need to be happen? Hello, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
So what need to happen when you click on checkout? We are sending the information that this is the total, and this information we are sending to checkout. Then what need to happen? If you click on this slash checkout, then what need to happen?
So it will navigate to checkout.
You have to this. If you hit on this slash checkout, it shows you this page, checkout page. Is this clear? It should show this page, checkout page. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So is there any checkout page here in this pages? Is there any checkout page available in the
No,
pages?
sir.
No, so we need to create it. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So in that checkout page, you have to display the total information. Is this clear? You have to display the total information. So now your task is to create this checkout page. Okay? Is that clear? The task is clear.
Yes, sir. So is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. Okay. And who is getting your data of grand total? We are sending grand total, na? You know who is taking your data of grand total?
The checkout page.
No. Checkout page. This is just to show you the data. But data is coming from somewhere else now. Data is coming from some other page.
The card. The card page.
Cart page. So cart page is sending the data. So who is receiving the data? You know who is receiving?
So this one.
Which one?
On. So this.
Yes, 8. Use location. Okay. there is a hook
Yes, sir.
use location. This use location is getting the data. Okay. 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 Neha. So if you, this is the code of cart, which one? Checkout page. Okay. You need to create this checkout page. Okay. Some of you have created under the pages. And in this page, it is receiving the information. So information is sent here in the cart page. Is it clear? Information. Which page is giving the information? Yes, the cart page was sending the information. This is the information we are sending. Is this clear? This is the information we are
So
sending.
screen is not visible.
Okay, okay. So in your cart page, here you are sending the information. Is this clear? Here you are sending the information. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You are sending this information along with the checkout URL. Okay, that I want to go to this URL, and with this URL you are sending this information also. Okay, is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Now what will happen when you how the navigation work that you explain in app.jsx, that if someone click on checkout, if someone wants the URL for checkout, you navigate to checkout page. Is this clear? Plus we are having information also that we are sending of grand total. Is this clear? So is this clear to you? So this information will flow to checkout page. Is this clear? This information will flow to checkout page. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Because there is no not only the information of the URL, there is a information, there is a some information also, like the information of grand total also here. So here in your checkout page, you will use a hook whose name is use location. Okay, what this hook will do, it will receive the data. Is this clear? It will receive the data and store the data, and who we can access the data through this variable location. Okay, is this clear? Because whatever data we have sent, this the data, this location variable can access that data now. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So here we are using use fact also. In use fact, if we are saying that if the total is null, okay, then what to do? Okay, we don't need to do anything now if the total is null. So do you navigate to the cart page? Okay, go to the cart page again. Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
But if the total is here, then here we will receive the total. Okay. So I told you that location has access to your data that you are sending. So the information of the data is stored in state variable. So location dot state will give you the location will dot state will give you the data. Okay. So location dot state and it is shown here. Location dot state dot total. It is clear. Will give you the data. Location dot state. We have to go to state. In the state we have to go to total. Is this clear to you? So this thing we have written here. This thing is written here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what we want, location dot, the total information is in location dot stay dot total. Okay, is this clear? Is this clear to you? Is that clear? This will give you the data, na? Location dot state dot total. Yes or no? Hello? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So why this question mark here? The question mark is because it may happen that someone directly click on the checkout. Some in the URL, with the URL, someone can hit on the checkout, the URL slash checkout. Okay, directly. Okay, directly someone can hit this URL. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, to handle such kind of things, we have put a question mark. What this question mark will do, it will avoid the page to be crashed because you are directly assessing the checkout. So if you are directly assessing the checkout and if the total is there, then it will show you the total. Otherwise, it will don't show you anything. Okay, it will say total is 0. Okay, so if there is no total, it will just show you 0 then. If you are adding this question mark, okay. Otherwise, if someone directly hit the URL, then you will get some error message. Okay, because there is a way to get the total. Na? The total will come from this cart page. And if you are directly hitting this checkout page with the URL, okay, then the total will be undefined. Is this clear? Total will be undefined. Okay.
Yes, sir.
To avoid such kind of thing, we are using this question mark. So what it will help? It will it will just show you that total will be 0 if you are directly going to the checkout page, okay, from the URL itself. But if you are coming from cart page, then this question mark will be removed and it will be location.state.total. Okay, then the total, whatever the total is there, that total will be shown to you. Is this clear?
Yes.
So this location, if you are using the location hook, so this is one of the way. This is the one of the way to receive the data. Is this clear? Okay. This is one of the way to receive the data. Is this clear to you? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Another way to receive the data is using this hook, use params. Okay. That we will see in the afternoon. What is use params? Okay. It means use the parameters. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And another way is to, we can create a global state. Global state, we already seen now how to create the global states. Which file, in which file we create the global states? This file, out context. Is this clear? Here we create the global states. No?
Yes, sir.
If you remember, we create a global state of user variable, login and logout function. So you can create the global state also for the grand total. So we will directly use them. Okay, we will directly use it. Is it clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And another way is another way can be, you can store the data in your local storage. We have seen our in our codes earlier that we use local storage. Local storage will help you to store the data because if you refresh, the data will be gone. But if you want to store somewhere, you can store in your local storage. So that during refresh, the data will not be gone. Is that clear? Is it clear to you? These
Yes, sir.
four, and apart from these four, the most professional way is to store the information in your backend. Okay, the backend you can store the information. In the backend, we are using Spring Boot. This data, the Spring Boot will store this information in its database because Spring Boot will be connected to some database. So we can store the grand total information from there. Is this clear? Then after storing the information, it will return you the information. Okay. It will then return the information to React after storing this. That procedure we have seen. That procedure we have seen in our code. I show you now where you set the cards. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So I told you 5 ways to do the things. Okay, you can. This is one of the way, but there are some other ways also. Is this clear? I hope it
Yes.
is clear. So now your information is stored in total. Total is the variable where the information is stored. And you are displaying the information here. Is this clear? You are displaying this information here, that this is the total. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the main part here. Okay. A part of this in this code, uh, I have added some payment things also. That after grand total you have to do the payment also, right? So I have added that logic also. But for our purpose, till now we have to display the total.